Good evening. This is Tim Barnaby, the No Nonsense Trader. I've gotten quite a few questions about how I plot the reversals on the weekly forecast. So I thought I would kind of share that with you a little bit, and keep in mind these points are, of course I only give you a price where I'm telling you that I expect price to reverse, but these are zones, and you could have 20 or 30 pip area there. There's nothing perfect here. And where price is really reacting, of course, is these, the big round numbers, the 50s and the zeros, so 3100 and 3150. So what I like to do is I zoom out. I go to the one on the daily. Right here you can see I'm on the daily. This is where I start, and I zoom out to where I have a lot of price action on that. I have a lot of price here, a big range of information. And then I look at where price is currently, where it's sitting. And then, oops, okay, we'll move that up here for now, get it out of the way. Okay, and right now we're looking at 36.26. So now I'm just going to take this line, I put a horizontal line on, and I'm just going to drag it down here to, here, and then we're going to go up and down a little bit until we find somewhere that looks like it's got a lot of support and resistance at that particular area. A lot of price action. So let's say, okay, that looks like a good area right there. Okay, now what we're looking at here, this dropped. You can see it took me a couple seconds here. What I did was I looked here. Okay, we're sitting on top of this, on top of all this. So we have good resistance there, good resistance. You can see that price stopped here, so that's good support. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look over a little bit and see if we have anything else. Yeah, not for a while, but still, that's a good line. So that's a good place to have this sitting. So I'm going to call that one of the key resistance, and then we'll put another line here, and we'll drop it right there. And we will go down, and okay, what do we have here? Okay, see that? Okay. Okay, now look at this line right here. This is, of course, on a big round number, and I always look for these to be around big round numbers, either 0, 0 or in the 50s. Okay, but look here. Now we have a lot of price action going through it, but it's going up. It's going down and up and down, and it's very spiky there. We have a lot of small candles here. We have spikes all over the place here. We've spiked up, failed, fell back, and then finally broke through. Came back. You can see there's a lot of price action right here. Okay, we go over, see what we have over here. Okay, yeah, we have more here. You can see this right here. It was a key reversal point here. Look at this. Price came down, down, down. Found great support right here. Had one day below. Came up, back down, and once again found good support here. 2 days actually before it finally broke through. And then when we came up, we failed for a day and finally broke through, so it became resistance. That's another area. Okay, let's get another one more here. And we will start here. Let's go. Okay, well, you see we have that big spike right there. We have action here. We're midway between this candle, the candle's body. Let's see what we got. No, don't want to do that. Let me move it back up. Okay, here we go. We go over here. Look once again. What do we have on this area? We have spikes. Spikes down, spikes up. We have resistance. We have support. Support once again. It comes down to this line and reverses on itself. Comes back down, finally beats it. Comes back up. Reverses again. This area consistently stops price, or at least stalls it. So we're going to call that the third one. The third key resistance, and these are turnaround points. These are where I expect price action to turn around. So Let's see, now let's do the support. Let's see. Okay, so look here. Now what I did here, look. Price action, right here. We have resistance. Support, again. We come down and hit it. We do a 1, 2, 3, and then we finally penetrate. Come back up. Find good support there. We find resistance. It comes up. It does penetrate, but it goes right back below. It comes back up once again. 1, 2, 3 for another reversal point. This is a great reversal point. Now, and so basically what we're looking at here, that's 3408, but really the price there is 3400, and it's going to be a zone, you know, somewhere above or below it. Once again, these are not perfect. So why do we even worry about these? Well, I worry about these because when I'm entering a trade, if I'm entering a long trade, I want to be mindful of where price might have a problem, where it might reverse. Right? You know, where do I expect it to reverse? And, you know, if I want to get short, if I'm in, you know, if the weekly bias was short, I want to wait for price to get to that level before I go short, because this is a point where price reacts. This is where there are buyers and sellers. So this is exactly where I want to place a short trade if I'm going short. Now, you know, this week is long, so we won't be worried about that, or I won't be taking any until it breaks below the reversal point. But, you know, if it were to get down to Euro USD were to get down to 3408, you know, I would definitely take a long at that point, and it may very well get down to 3408. So we will see. Now, if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me. You know, just give me an email at tim@nononsensetrader.com, and I'll help you out as much as I can. And I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.